So here we are at the Parisian. We're having a really good time. We're going to be going all around, and I mean that, all around the casino of Parisian, showing you what it looks like. Should be pretty interesting. Might even be a dizzying experience, perhaps. We could say that, I believe. Very dizzying, thorough experience. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. What we're going to be exploring today. We're going to be checking it out, and I have somebody who's going to be photographing for us today too, so check that out too. Stay tuned. Good sidetrack. Parisian Casino on the Cotai Strip. Got the Year of the Rabbit right there, and some of you
right there.
And we're going to walk around a little bit and show you the Parisian. So let's go this way. We're going to show the hotel reception, because the hotel reception is has really beautiful paintings, and it's kind of a picture of Paris.
Look at the beautiful chandelier.
The chandelier is huge.
Yeah.
And it actually got all these paintings from, I think it's all from Paris or from France.
All of these paintings.
Beautiful, right?
Very good.
Chandeliers, so all the decadence and beauty of Paris, France, and the Parisian Casino.
That's very cool.
And let's walk up to the, we're going to go to the second floor, and we're going to kind of walk around a little bit, and we're going to see the food court.
There's the Shoppies at Four Seasons. There's even a third floor if you don't know. Very nice.
You want to do any dancing in here or anything like that?
Later.
Later? Did you see a good spot?
Well, look at this. Now we're walking down the hall. Look at the ceiling. It's full of nature. Isn't that cool? Yeah. So you can go buy stuff here if you want. Pretty cool clothing here.
Check this out. So some of these are named after streets. So it says this narrow street in Paris is cited as being one of the most luxurious streets in the world. So the newest styles in Paris can be found in this street. And so basically, I think this street kind of is resemblance of some street in Paris. So I don't know if it's resemblance or they just give it the name. But either way, this is kind of. But actually, all the stores are very high end and quite expensive. So. And this is kind of interesting because there's a place in Louisiana, New Orleans. It's design was created by the French, so it's kind of funny that they got that. Let's go into this way. So that design, when I see it, I always think of this American football team called the New Orleans Saints.
Look at these paintings.
Should I put the camera person on video for a second? You want to be on video for a moment?
Sure.
Dun dun dun! So you want to be our guide? So what are we coming into next?
We are coming into this place.
And this place looks like it has Elise, which is like, this is everywhere in Macau. It's like kind of like French popular items that and we can get them everywhere. University of Macau even has them. Oh, what's this up here?
It's a pretty cool
Seal.
It's like a ceiling, but then they will show us decorations of any sort of things there. For example, it might be the ocean, or for example, right now the sky, or nature, or anything.
Pretty cool. Yeah, I think they also have that in Venetian too. They have this kind of sky.
Yeah, but they only have the sky in Venetian.
Yeah, Venetian and Parisian. Venetian has a bigger one, right?
Yep.
It's really big and beautiful. So we're gonna try to go upstairs, and upstairs there's a food court. So that's kind of the main goal. Put the camera back.
Yeah.
What do you think about what we see straight ahead?
I think it's pretty cool.
It's like kind of like a pink, looks like a restaurant slash dining area slash drinking maybe.
Maybe.
It's called Mood and More Express. It looks like they got lots of wine. So it looks like they got all kinds of wine here. So let's just take a look at this real quick. So, wine station. So it looks like you can get your wine in here or here. It's kind of interesting. Let's try to go upstairs. He says this way. I think there's an elevator up here. So we're gonna go up this elevator, and then we're gonna give the camera back to the camera girl. We're gonna head right up here.
Yeah. Scared me.
Scary. You look into the camera and it's like, there you are.
Why?
What the heck am I doing in the camera? I'm supposed to be the other way around. So we're gonna go up to this court.
There's the boy.
Oh, we got static. These elevators have like static. I keep getting like poked.
I just got it just now.
You get it poked as well?
Wanna find? Whoa.
Chandelier?
And look at this. The global light. Look at how they read.
Yeah, it says they won some global awards, the RLI Awards winner. But it doesn't have any information about what that means. International Shopping Center?
Oh.
Hey.
Here's some beautiful art.
What's really interesting about this one is sometimes I'll also like show it like this, and I'll go like this, and
That's what I was about to do.
you're about to do it.
Yeah.
That's you careful not to drop the camera.
That's why I was like,
You can see, what can you see through it? You can see all the beautiful flowers,
yeah.
lots of shops.
A man over there with the dog. Yep. Pretty cool. Oh, and here's the. You wanna say?
Parisian food court.
Yep.
So we got actually these two are closed, and one of the things that's kind of funny about this particular food court is that it's almost always closed. There's almost hardly ever any people in here. It's really strange. Like these, there's and the few they have are good, but actually they're starting to change now because they have in the past there's hardly anything, and they're like these kind of chain Chinese ones that are kind of like not so good, but actually that pepper lunch is a chain one that's from Japan, and that Toei Delights is also from Japan, so they got a couple Japanese ones.
And also, if you guys are wondering why are there many people here, usually it doesn't really have that many people here, but since the border opened for all the mainlanders to come, that's why it's now a little bit more crowded.
Yeah. Finally.
It used to be only like 5 groups of people here. But now since the main ladders are back, there's a lot.
Yeah. I think in the past I remember like sometimes I'd hardly ever see anybody around. Like just workers on their break would be eating and that's it.
There's many people.
Yeah, this one is kind of this one is in almost all the casinos. This is Ocean Empire.
Ocean
It's like
Empire
really
food
kind
shop.
of generic. And this Treasure Lake is actually in all the casinos too. It's like also like really, really generic. Nothing special, in my opinion. Maybe it's better than I think, I don't know.
Yeah.
This one is also from Chinese from Nanyang. But I think the good ones around here are, I think I might have heard,
Joey
there's a really
juice.
good Japanese ramen shop down here. It's really
Oh,
well known.
I know that.
You know that one?
Yep.
And then I think one of these is a Macau one, but I think the Macau one's gone, so now this one is kind of generic Chinese one and Chinese one. But there used to be a Maltese one. And this one used to be a French Vietnamese one. And that one was like had some really famous chefs, I think, that I remember. But now it looks like kind of a generic one. The prices are pretty low. So I think they're just like bringing down like kind of lower quality foods, I think. But there's still some, that ramen one is supposed to be that one is a really good one. That one has great ramen in it. I think maybe we should end the video and maybe get something to eat.
Sure.
You want to do a dance before we go? You know the one I really like is that one that you're doing where you're like, the one that you did yesterday when we were at the waterfront. That one's the one I really like a lot. So we're gonna end this one on the Parisian. We're gonna jump. Oh yeah. All right. It's Parisian in Macau. Hope you liked it. Sunset over Parisian. Whoa. And my daughter kind of wanted to mention a little bit about the pillars and the artwork, right?
Yep.
What do you like to say about them?
I'd like to say that I don't know why, but it's pretty modern in here. I mean, we all know it's like Paris.
Yeah. Yeah, it's really.
I really like the design stuff for it.
And you like the pillars in particular, right?
Yeah.
And there's also these little windows up here too. They have so much detail. I think you were telling me about all the detail of these as well, right? And the windows up above.
I like all these details.
I like this detail too, right?
It's like they put so much effort into these like designs that look like very nice.
I agree. Pretty cool though. Get it from that angle. That looks most nicest.
And just wait till we go downstairs. I still have something to show you.
Cool. Let's see it.
Show you.
Yeah, she wants everybody to see this little Eiffel Tower. It's a little mini one.
Yep.
And we're gonna go out and see the big one in a minute too.
Here's the smaller one. The smaller version. There's so many gems in this.
Lots of gems.
Yep.
Dun 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 dun. All right. Let's go see the big one. And that's the major one that's outside, and we're out here in the in this area. My kids are having a lot of fun running around and having a really good time. Oh, they threw up a cup and they're going crazy, having such a good time. And we're in the Parisian.
Yeah.
And we're on the Cotai Strip. And there's let's keep that cup in your hands if you can. And we got the Londoner over there. And we got City Dreams. Hey, 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 Tyler, pick it up. Stop that, stop it. There's people everywhere, stop that. Okay, they're getting pretty excited. But anyway, so we made it to the front, and this is the Cotai Strip. And he's got the cup in his hand, and we're gonna try to catch it right here. And we got the full Eiffel Tower, and he still has the cup in his hand, so we're good. Let's hope it stays that way. And we got City of Dreams in the background. We got the Parisian right here, and we got
Dreams in the behind.
And we got this.
That's Studio City.
Studio City.
You said City of Dreams.
I don't know, I'm so distracted. There's like a little thing going around me, like an orbit. It's like hard to like concentrate. And I got this little thing going on like this. Jeez. Making me dizzy here. Okay. Made it to the end. Hey, check it out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.